रहे हो गाइस कितना बारिश हो रहा है, बारिश ही बारिश हो रहा है। बाप रे, पीछे का तो दिख ही नहीं रहा, ऐसा बारिश हो रहा है।
We should resolve all the international disputes and we should resort to non-violence, ahimsa. Gopal Krishna Gandhi says, now let's extrapolate this argument. Now there are chemical weapons. Now there are biological weapons. Now there is cyber warfare. But at the same time, there are rockets of hate. So you may not need nuclear weapon to destroy the world. You may not need to press the nuclear button and the rockets will fly. The rockets of hate are flying, blazing through the loudspeakers coming from TV news channels, which polarize people in the name of religion or caste or language. What about this rocket of hate? And for that also the solution, according to Gopal Krishna Gandhi, is non-violence. But perhaps on this, there was a disagreement between George Orwell and Mahatma Gandhi. George Orwell appreciated some of Gandhiji's ideas, but also lampooned some others as well, criticized others as well. For example, in this essay, Reflections on Gandhi, George Orwell questioned Gandhi's saintly image. He is viewed as a saint. I am questioning it. And there are some aspects of his personality which are problematic. For example, you believe in your lifestyle which is of that of a poor. For example, Mahatma Gandhi was criticized. Criticized in the sense he used to drink goat's milk.
Goat's milk?
Cow milk, buffalo milk was easily available, but goat's milk was not easily available. So we had to spend a lot of money to get goat milk for Mahatma Gandhi, or a goat had to travel with Mahatma Gandhi wherever he would go. To ensure that people who are with Mahatma Gandhi, they are also not inconvenienced when Mahatma Gandhi travels from one place to another. So sometimes they had to book the entire wagon of the railway, the entire compartment of the railway. And this is where Sarojini Naidu once said that it is becoming a costly affair to keep Gandhiji in poor conditions. So for Gandhiji to maintain this image of a saint, of a poor man who is wearing khadi, and it is not even complete, to keep him in that affair, in that persona, a lot of money is being spent. It is becoming expensive to keep Gandhiji in poor conditions. Orwell criticized his lifestyle, his focus on vegetarianism, and his focus on non-violence. So he was praising non-violence.
एक मिनट एंड करते हैं, बहुत कुछ था इसमें समझ में।
In some regimes, for example, in